Personally, I think Copilot in Excel has become quite useful now. I'll show you how you can utilize it to some extent with a specific prompt pattern. Since Copilot in Excel is still in preview, there will be many changes in the future. To use Copilot in Excel, the file needs to be saved on OneDrive or SharePoint. And autosave must be activated. For collaborative editing, autosave must be enabled. In a way, this is similar to the concept of how Copilot works in conjunction with Pilot for collaborative editing. As of July 2024, Copilot operates based on tables. Initially, it only worked within a table, but now it can reference and operate using other tables like a database. Let's calculate the year based on the date. Calculate year based on date. Insert column. It's similar to prompt 1, but with an additional condition. It will calculate the month based on the date this time. Calculate month based on date. If date is null, null. Insert column. You can see that if the date is null, it is displayed as null. Using the same approach, let's calculate the week number. Calculate week of month based on date. If date is null, null. Insert column. It will retrieve the department corresponding to the name from the data in another table this time. It will refer to table 2. It uses the XLOOKUP function to find the department in table 2. Table 1 is a performance table by sales representatives. Let's use a prompt in table 3 to retrieve the relevant performance data. It suggests 4 formulas at once. Insert columns. As of July 27, 2024, you can add formula-based aggregation by up to 4 different attributes. You can check the performance data by month and method. Insert column. You can calculate the total monthly sales performance. This time, it will calculate the performance data by quarter. Dividing the data by quarter makes the formula quite complex. Let's create it through a prompt. Calculate method W, X, Y, Z matching name, quarter based on table 1. A rather complex formula was completed through a simple prompt. Using the same approach, let's calculate the total sales by quarter. Calculate quarter sales. Matching name, quarter based on table 1. Since the formula is incorrect, click Give me another suggestion based on my prompt. Insert column. Let's calculate the semi-annual performance. Calculate method W, X, Y, Z matching name, half year based on table 1. Insert columns. Calculate half-year sales. Matching name, half-year based on table 1. Finally, it will calculate the annual sales performance. Calculate method W, X, Y, Z matching name, full year based on table 1. Calculate full year sales. Matching name, full year based on table 1. Insert column. With a simple prompt, you can see that complex formulas are completed. It seems that the barrier to using Excel functions has been lowered compared to before. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.